Hey guys, BP105 here. I thought I'd just might make a quick video about my newest Seagull outboard. Anyway, this is a model 102 with the serial prefix of AD, which puts it at approximately 1950. AD being direct drive, no clutch. So I got this a couple of days back from a fellow outboarder up here in West Australia. It seems to be in quite a nice condition for its age. Obviously it has the original decal on it, which I quite like. Obviously the rope sheave isn't correct. The water outlet will be changed back to the original metal pipe. Unfortunately no Dover tiller grip, but I'm sure that I can find one. As you can see, the throttle cable is in dire need of replacement. I don't think it's ever been replaced since this motor left the factory. Original carburetor and fuel pipe. I do have the gearbox for this motor, but unfortunately when I got it, it didn't have the drive shaft. So I, instead of trying to get one out of my other 102, I thought I'd just drop the gearbox and connect the garden hose up to the water pipe. So we'll just see if she goes. I'll just quickly turn the water on. Not too much, just so she can keep a decent stream so she doesn't overheat. And then I'll just quickly start her up for you, just make sure the camera doesn't fall over. Make sure that's a decent angle. Okay. So anyway, as you saw, she started relatively easily. I'm happy because the garden hose is just keeping the motor at a decent temperature without overheating. She runs very nicely. I haven't done anything to it apart from clean the spark plug. And let's just rev her up now. She runs very nicely. She idles beautifully as well. Almost to a stop. So anyway, it's a good basis to work on for a restoration. Unfortunately, I'm not able to let go of the throttle control, because if I do, then it just automatically goes back to the stop position. So anyway, nothing that a bit of work won't fix. I think I'm just going to get it back completely to original. Black tank, new decal, all that sort of stuff, get all the correct bits on it. Not going to polish it up or anything, just get it as close to as it was when it left the factory. See how low she goes. Well, I think that's pretty good, especially for a Seagull. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll probably do a little video series of me restoring the motor. I don't know if I'll just do pictures or if I'll do a sort of step-by-step video sort of thing like some other people have done on YouTube. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers, guys.